Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to edit happy birthday video in CapCut. Editing a happy birthday video in CapCut is a great way to create a personalized and memorable video. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you do it. Open the CapCut app, tap on your project, and choose the photos by going to photo section and choose a preferred photo. Now, on video, choose your video that you like to use for the birthday video from your gallery. Once you choose your preferred clips, tap on Add. Once the media is imported, you can rearrange the clips by dragging them around the timeline to tell a story. You can also trim any video or photos by selecting them and adjusting the ends to remove unwanted parts. Now, unhighlight the photo. Tap the audio option at the bottom, choose sounds, and use the search bar to look for a birthday song in CapCut's library. Once you find the song, tap on it, hit the download button, and then tap the plus button to add it to your clip. To sync and adjust where the music starts, drag the song to the desired position. To trim the song, choose the birthday track, go to the end of the song, and drag the edges to match the video's duration. You can also use the split tool to cut the audio to fit the length of your video. Now, unhighlight the video, go to the starting point of your video clip. Tap the stickers to access a variety of birthday related stickers like balloons, cakes, candles, and confetti. Tap on the sticker of your choice to place stickers over the video to give it a fun and festive touch. You can resize the sticker using your two fingers. Now tap the check button. Now choose the video clip. Between clips, tap the transition icon, go to the end section, and choose smooth transitions such as fade, zoom, or spin or any birthday themed transitions, if available, to apply at the start of the video. Then also add a transition at the end of the clip by going to the Out section and selecting an effect that complements your video. Transitions will give your video a more polished and professional look. Once done, tap the check button to confirm. Now tap on filters to change the overall look, tone of your video. You can apply warm, cool, or vibrant filters to match the birthday theme. Now tap the check button once you've chosen. Under the Effects tab, go to Video Effects. You can add birthday-specific effects such as sparkles, confetti, or balloons that appear over the video, so use the search bar and I choose the confetti for this. Tap on the effect, then tap on Cancel. Tap on the check button again. Now, review and export your video. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.